These anchors and a Phillips head screwdriver are all you're going to need. Okay, if you've got any stripped drywall holes throughout your house, this video will work for you. We've got a stripped toilet paper holder here. It's pretty common to have anything that's yanked on get stripped, from towel racks to toilet paper holders. But if you've got mirrors or picture frames that have fallen off or pulled out throughout your house, this will work for you as well. These drywall anchors that we use hold up to 75 pounds, so you've got quite a bit of options for what you're able to use them with. We're going to take out the mounting hardware here from the toilet paper holder. Most of your flush mounted items in your house are going to work this way, where you have a mounting bracket that's secured to the wall, followed by the decorative item that goes on top of it. So this should be pretty universal in how we're going to do this, depending on the items that you're working with. So these drywall anchors, again, hold 75 pounds. They're specially made to go into stripped holes. And the size that you're going to need, they come in a variety of sizes. The size that you'll need will obviously depend on the size of your hole. And that's a little difficult to tell what that is, even if you know the size of your screw, because you could have been stripping the screw for a long time and made that hole even bigger. So you have a really small screw, but you're going to need a larger anchor. So I definitely recommend buying the kit that has a variety of sizes. They're pretty inexpensive, so it certainly is worth it in the event you don't get the right size the first time, trying to return it and do it again. But we're just going to screw the screws that came with it directly into the anchor, and we didn't use any glue or plastic wood or anything else. I've seen a lot of videos where people use all sorts of adhesives inside of the hole, which you can certainly do, but if you're not mounting anything too heavy, or you're not going to be putting too much force on it, why bother and spend the money or get it messy? So we're just going to make sure that the rod is level, and then get the Allen wrench and tighten the key at the bottom of the hardware. This is what we would have done or should have done to take it out or off had the screws not been stripped, but because they were, we were able to pull it right off the wall. And that's it, folks. Very easy to do. Only takes 5 or 10 minutes, and you can see that it's nice and secure there. And nobody puts their toilet paper on that way, let's be serious.